Hi guys, I am Apiola from Success Next Door. Today, I'm going to show you how you can create an e-commerce website from start to finish. So let's get started. First, you have to choose your website name, and to do that, quickly type on your URL godaddy.com to check if the name is available before we proceed. After watching this video, you'll be able to make a website that has a product like this. You'll be able to create a page like this. People can add product to their carts. They can pay you through your website and buy directly from your website. We're going to make our e-commerce site in 4 parts. The first part is to launch your website. This is where we get a new website live on the internet. The first step is to choose since the place where your websites are stored. Domain is your website's name. You can go to the next step, which is to get your hosting and domain. So here we are going to get our hosting and domain. So to get it, just get started. Enter the same name you selected before and click search. Then click select and continue. To get this domain and hosting, we need to create a new account. So let's click here and fill up this detail and click create account. Here you can see that we are getting our domain, which is trashers.com, and hosting. Both of these are going to be valid for 1 year. If you want to place this order, your website will be live on website for 1 year. So let's go ahead and make the payment. Just choose the payment method, enter your details, and then make the payment. Now to make the order, and we've got our domain and hosting. Once you have gotten your domain and hosting, you can now go to the final step of launching the website, which is to install WordPress. Now WordPress is the tool we are going to use to build our e-commerce website. WordPress lets you build websites easily without any coding or program. Let's see how to install WordPress. To install WordPress, all you have to do is click add site. Then enter username and password for WordPress and click add. And now WordPress will be installed on your website, which is trashers.com. Since WordPress is now installed, this means your website will be live on the internet. So to check it, let's go to our website, open a new tab, type trashers.com and press enter. You can see that we have a brand new website on the name which we selected. This is how you can launch your website on the internet. Once you have launched your website, you can now go to part 2 of this tutorial to start building your e-commerce site. Instead of building your e-commerce site from the scratch, we first import sample e-commerce site, then edit it to our own site. This is going to really speed up the process and will let you build your site in a much faster way. So to import the sample site, we are going to do 2 steps. First step, log into our website. So to log into the site, all you have to do is type /login. Now press enter. Take it to the page of your website. Enter the login detail which you have selected for WordPress. And then click login. Now you have successfully logged in to our WordPress site. This is a place where you can control your website. Once you have logged in, you can now go to plus left two of your importing the sample site, which is install a theme in website. So you're going to install a theme called Astra, which is going to let us import the sample site. So install a theme, so go to appearance, click themes, then click add new theme. Then search for a theme called Astra. Now there is the theme which is going to let us import the sample sites. So to install the theme, just click install. Then activate the theme. Now we have installed the Astra theme. Next is to import the sample site. Just click Astra option. And here you can see we have an option called import starter sites. To import the site, just click install importer plugin. Then click see library. So once you're on this page, just select Elementor, which will make it easier for you to edit your websites. So click Elementor. Now, as you're going to build an e-commerce site, just click e-commerce. Then choose the site called the brand store. So let's click here. And here you can see the preview of how your site can look like once you import the sample sites. So to import this site to your site, just click install plugins and click import this site. Now the sample site has been imported. Let's see how our site looks. If you go to this tab, you can see how our site was before. So if you click refresh, you can see that we are counting the entire site, e-commerce site to our site. This is a fully working e-commerce site, which means if you click on the product here, you can see the details about the project and you can add it to cart. And we can view the cart, and we can also proceed to checkout. So all of this option after we imported the sample site. Now we have already imported our sample e-commerce site. Once we have imported the sample site, we can now go to the part 3, how you can start using this e-commerce site. To start using our e-commerce sites, first of all, set up our store. Store is a place where customers can see your products and purchase them. Once you set up your store, your site will have your own products and your visitor will be able to buy those products. So let's go to store. And you can see we have these sample products. To set up our store, we are going to do 4 steps. Delete all these sample products. So to delete them, let's go to our dashboard. Then click products. Here you can see all the sample products which we have here. As we place this sample products, click the button, click bulk action, then move to trash, then click apply. Now we have activated all the sample products. You go to our store and click refresh. You can see that all the products have been removed. Once you have removed all the sample products, let's see how you can add our own products. So to add your own products, just go to the products page and click add new. add any products, all you have to do is enter the product's name, price, and some details about the product. So let's first enter the product's name. I want to sell the t-shirt. You're going to put the price, and some details about the product. Okay, once you have added these details, you can now add your product image. So to add the image, just click Set Product Image. You can do drag and drop the image from your computer to the site. And as you can see, your image has been added. Now you have added all the details about the product. So let's click Publish. Now if you click Add Store Page, you can see we have a product. So if you click on the product, you can see that you can add this product to our cart. Now we have added a product. So you can add any number of products you want in same range. So to add the product, just go to Product, click Add Name. Next step for next step is to change our currency. Here you can see that we have different currency. You can change it to rupee. Just go to your dashboard, go to WooCommerce, and click Settings. This is where you can change all the settings in the store. To change your currency, just scroll down on this page. You find the currency option and change it to rupee. Just click here. And just type India and select this option. Now click Save Changes. Now if you go to the product page and click Refresh, you can see the person has changed on the page. Now we have to change our currency. I have completed the top step of setting up a store. So let's go to the first step. Let's set up our payment method. If you are trying to buy this product by clicking Add to Cart, then proceed to check out. You say no payments. You can see that no payment methods are available. You have to allow your customer to pay for your product. You need to set up your payment method. To set it up, we are going to create free account on our website called Instamojo. Once you create this account, you'll be able to set payments directly to your bank account where someone purchases your product. So to create an account, just go back to website learners. Then scroll down step 4 and create free accounts. And you take it to this page. Just click Sign Up. Enter your email and password and click Sign Up. Choose type of business you have and select No here and click Next. Once you reach here, you need to enter your bank details for anyone to receive your payments. You have your bank account number, then click Find IFSC. Select your bank details. Click Use this. So when someone buys a product from your site, that's money will be sent to this account. So once you send these details, just click Create Accounts. Now you have first created an Instamojo account. Now you can use any of these payment products to pay for the product. So let's go to Dashboard. So how do we connect this account with our website? To let customers make payment on your site, You need to connect this account with your website. So to connect it, let's go to our WordPress dashboard, go to plugins, and click add new. Now we need to install Instamojo platform on this website. Just search for Instamojo, and you get this plugin. And to install it, just click install and click activate. Now we have installed Instamojo on the website. So to connect this account website, just click settings. What about your customer? How can they view and track their order? So this is the customer's inbox. Once the customer has ordered the product from your site, the account will be automatically created. If they go to their inbox, they will get the email with the order detail and the order with the detail of their account. So if you open this email, here you can see the customer has gotten the password which they can use to log into your site. After placing an order, if the customer wishes to log back to your site, all you have to do to go to your site and click account. And now they'll be able to log in back inside. They just enter their email and their password which they receive in their email. So let's go back to the inbox and copy this password and paste it here. If they keep logging, you can see that the customer can read all of the orders they place on their site. If you go to their services, they can even update their address. This is how the customers can view their orders on your site. So let's go back to our store. Okay, now we have successfully completed our store. So anyone that is visiting your site can go there and buy a product. So let's go to the final part of building our e-commerce site by changing the outlook of it. We are going to see how we can change different parts of our site. Let's go to our home page. So let's see how you can edit the content of your pages. Let's say you want to change this text. How do we do that? Now to edit any page of your site, just make sure you're on that page and click edit with Elementor. Now it leads you to this editing section. Let's say you want to change the text. All you have to do is align that text and start typing anything you want. So I'm going to type get the best product from our store. Next, if you want to change the text on the button, just select that text and enter your own text. The same way you can edit any text you want on this page. Just select the text and then start typing. Let's say you want to change this image. To change this image, all you have to do is just click here. Then you're on the style tab. Select the image you want to change. Then drag and drop your image. As you can see, the image has been changed. Once you are done with all these changes, just click update. Now if you go to our site and click refresh, you can see that all the changes are there. This is how you can edit any page of your website. So next, you also want to change your product on your own page. You will scroll to this product area. You can see that we have no product here. So next, let's see how you can add product like this to your own page. To add product to your own page, all you have to do is go to dashboard, then go to products, Here you can see all the products that have been added to your site. And to display any of this on your home page, all you have to do is to go to click the start button next to the product. So I'm going to select all these products. Then if you go to our site and click refresh, you can see that all the products have been selected now appear on our home page. So this is how you can add your own product to your home page. Let's see how you can change your logo. To change this logo, just click customize. You find this blue item next to the item you want to change. To change this one, just click the blue icon and you can change your logo here. If you want to have your logo in text, you can click remove the image by clicking here and show your text name by selecting this option. Now you can see we got our site name instead of the default logo which was there before. This is how you can change your logo. Next, how you can change your menu. To change your menu, all you have to do is just click here and click edit menu. Also, if you want to remove from your menu, just click here and click remove, and the page will be removed from your menu. You can also rearrange the menu as you want and you change there. This is how you can change the menu on your website. Once you are done, just click publish, then click here to see your site. You can see the all change you have made now appears on our site. This is how you can change the look of your website. Now we have complete e-commerce site in just a few minutes. To make your e-commerce site, all you have to do is first launch your site by getting your domain and hosting. To import the sample, then to set up your store, then finally change the look of your website. That is guys, this is how you can build your e-commerce site in just a few minutes. So guys, I hope this video is very helpful and you have gotten a massive value from it. Now you can create an e-commerce website today in few minutes. If you have enjoyed this video, please click the like button below and make sure you leave a comment and subscribe for more videos. See my description below for additional support. I will see you in the next video. I am Abiola. Just stay safe and thanks for watching.